That's the baby seal. And the other one's swimming around.
It's funny that you didn't go see them. Oh my gosh.
That's a hippo.
His butt is showing at you.
Yeah, kiss my ass.
I think he gets the poop.
Okay, here we go. Here's Mr. Penguin.
See him trying to get up out of the water?
Okay. Yep. Just got out. Gonna go back for a dip. Thinking about it. Shake it off a little bit. Okay. Sure. Little friends over here.
Yeah, they're racing.
Look, they get with those tunnels.
He's trying to pick up speed. Oh, he's going for the turn. Look at him. Bumping and grinding. Look at it. He comes in.
Okay.
Jillian, watch him try to get up the rock.
Swims a lot. That swims a lot.
Climb up.
Going out.
First one up wins.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, 1. Okay, there we go.
First, second, third.
There we go. Shake it off. Just laying out. Okay, that's a tap dancer. Yeah, that's the mama one.
Your way. My wings kind of take off.
Keep walking, AJ, go.
Thank you.
Look at this.
I love it.
And when you guys see the shark with all the teeth, he's just smiling at you, so smile and wave to him. Don't be scared of it.
Hi, shark. AJ, go say hi, shark.